Medicube has been the absolute sensation of Korean beauty, and I know a lot of people have questions about it. I've been using it for a while, so I wanted to help and answer some of those questions. Number one question: is it tacky? Is it sticky? Does it feel a bit weird? It is a jellified product, so when you take it out there, it does have a slight tackiness to it. Now, one of the number one things that I think people get confused about is how much you need. You need a pea-sized blob. Now, you get like a little, not a gusha, but a spatula with it. You need to use the small end of that to get the right amount out. And that is truly all you need. The way I do it is I just tap it all over my skin and then blend it out. Now, some people do use this as a primer. Definitely give it about 10 minutes just to dry down between that. Don't use too much of it and it will make a fantastic, really adhesive primer. But my general advice is to use it as an overnight sort of deep moisturizer. You pop it on there, massage it all in as you normally would. You'll wake up with no residue feeling on your skin and have that nice plumping effect. You can use this with any of your sort of facial massaging devices, but you can use it as a standalone, and I think it does a really great job. The scent is really light. You really have to have a good sniff to even detect a scent, but it is super light. So if you are sensitive, of course, like any product, it's not for you, but generally you may not even pick up on the scent. It is super light. I put mine on about 5 minutes ago and it is already feeling dry. I could certainly put on makeup on top of this or do some more of my skincare routine. And of course, the big question is, does it work? It does, but possibly not in the way that you think it does. There really isn't a big cure for the hands of time and getting older. It's going to happen to us all. But what this does, it does plump up those fine lines to give that overall feeling of softness and to remove the harshness of deep lines. And I'll leave a link below to the Medicube listing if you want to take a look at it. I really do recommend giving it a try. I think it's a really great product. It's popular for a reason. It does a really great job.